coming. Just keep walking like you're gonna walk by him. It's pretty cool, huh? Ava, don't yell or move fast. Don't do that. You're gonna scare him. Slow, nice and slow. Right, stop. Stop. Red light. Because they're going to get ready to fly off. Alright, now walk by them. This way. Now you got to be careful they don't poke their eyes out. Watch it at home. Hi.
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 You can go walk up and pet him?
Pet him, Ava. Go pet him. Go pet him.
Just don't let him poke your eyes out.
Just go pet him. I'm coming with you. I'm coming with you.
Where'd you go?
Chasing us.
These are the one that Monica feeds in the front yard, John and Monica. Hello.
I'm scared now. I'm scared. It's scary me. I'm not going up to that one anymore. I'm just going up.
Alright, we're going to go somewhere else?
I'll put them.
Go ahead.